I am Dr. Gracia. I am the thermographer of LeTip of Dallas. LeTip of Dallas is a networking group of like-minded individuals who come together to get to know each other on a more personal basis so that we can refer clients. I would like to invite you to our upcoming meeting this next Wednesday. We will be meeting in person at the Sherlock in Addison. We will start off at 11:15 with Blake Carnes doing a showboat presentation about his construction services. Blake is with High Bar Construction and provides any kind of remodeling, whether it's painting, whether it's updating your home, remodeling existing builds, new builds as well. And so if you have questions, especially with today's market, maybe on how to get your house ready to sell, then you need to come and meet Blake Carnes with High Bar Construction. The meeting officially starts at 11:45 with a call to order. And then we will have our presenter, Joshua Milam with Milam Law Firm, will be teaching us about wills and probate. So if you have specific questions about wills for yourself or for clients, please come prepared with your questions. Joshua Milam is going to be presenting over about 10 minutes, teaching us the critical ins and outs, the tips that we need to know about the updated information. If you are interested in networking, launching your business to the next level, please send a message to the LeTip of Dallas chapter, and we will get you the invitation, answer any questions you may have about our upcoming meeting.